These are the last terrifying seconds of the flight. Slowed down, the footage shows how the plane narrowly misses a block of flats. One of its wings hits a car as it disappears from view. These photographs capture the same last moments, the aircraft out of control and almost at 90 degrees as it plunges towards the river. Parts of the plane were left scattered on the bridge, the fuselage half submerged in the water below. This part of the Keelung River is shallow, and that has probably saved lives. Rescuers were quickly able to get to the wreckage by boat and pull the survivors, among them a small child, to safety. Local media reported that the plane had just taken off when it lost contact with air traffic control. The twin-engine turboprop was on its way from Taipei to the island of Kinmen, which lies just off the Chinese coast. It's not known what caused this accident. The plane belongs to the airline TransAsia and is the second of the company's aircraft to be involved in a crash in the past year. Ben Gagan, BBC News.